Hi everyone, the patient mom here. So I wanted to take a moment today to talk about something that is kind of frustrating to me. So last night I went bowling with my two youngest children and two of my grandchildren. Well, in the interim of being there, I guess bowling, the long past bowling etiquette has gone for some reason in our children as they've grown up. So I wanted to talk about bowling etiquette for just a moment. Like I enjoy to bowl, however, bowling is kind of like golfing. Golfing, people want quiet. Or, as in bowling, when you get ready to bowl, be courteous of those next to you, either to your left or to the right of you. If they walk up to bowl before you, be courteous and wait for them to bowl before you bowl, because that is considered bowling etiquette. Bowling etiquette is I guess is a long pastime. However, it has been forgotten in our children growing up. So be courteous when you decide to go bowling with your friends. And if they don't know what bowling etiquette is, please let them know. Remember, again, it's kind of like golfing. Golfing, people want quiet. And if you decide to go bowling, please keep in mind bowling etiquette. When you decide to walk up, you grab your ball, you get ready to bowl, if the person to the right or to the left of you, directly to the right or directly to the left of you, just they're already up there with their ball and they're getting ready to bowl, take a step back, let them finish before you bowl. Because what happens is they can see you out of their peripheral vision, and sometimes it'll startle them and it'll ruin their game. And some people really take bowling very serious. It's a sport. So again, if you don't want people to be noisy when you're golfing, please be courteous of that bowling etiquette and let the people directly to the right or directly to the left of you bowl before you bowl if they are already up there. Well, thank you for watching my video. And remember, smile, always believe in yourself. Until next time, the patient mom.